In today's video, we are shopping at Saks Fifth Off and Saks Fifth Avenue. So if you're interested in seeing what's in store, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and home organizational videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button below, and let's get into today's video. So first I hit up Saks Fifth Avenue, and if you guys have been watching these luxury shop with me's at department stores, you know we've done Nordstrom's, we've done Neiman's. I went to Saks, but unfortunately Saks only sells their home decor online. Of course, they had all of the designer everything else, including makeup and clothes and shoes and bags, all kinds of apparel. But if you want the home decor, you're gonna have to go online. I did hit up Saks Fifth Off. They had a few things in home decor, more so catered to makeup, but I was interested to find that Saks Fifth Off did have like a line of things from Saks Fifth Avenue in which you can find cups and mugs and different things. So if you're interested to see what they have, then check out this video because they did have some cute things. So I really like these pocketbook mirrors. They both said Saks Fifth Avenue on them, but one had like more makeup type logo on it. I've been needing a mirror for my bag, so I picked up one and it was only $15 and it was so beautiful. It was perfect. as you can see, Saks Fifth Off had so much cute stuff when it came to makeup and things like that, tools, all that kind of thing. They had a lot of cute apparel as well, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful to see what's in store at both stores. If you're interested in more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. You can also hit the bell notification to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays when I upload. On Tuesdays, we do Shop With Me's at all my favorite home decor stores. On Thursdays, we hit up Target for what's new in home decor. And on Sundays, I bring you lifestyle content and content from the new house. So I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.